Hi guys, this is Miss Rebecca, and today in woodworking we're going to talk about our tools and about our safety gear. So the first thing that I have here is our hard hat. This protects your head from anything falling on it or an accidental hammer coming down and hitting you on the head. So this is our hard hat. We always wear it when we work with tools. Another thing that you would wear is safety goggles. Well, I have my glasses. You wear those to keep things from flying back in your eyes, to damage them, or they just keep your eyes protected. Here's the first tool that I have. What is this? You guys all should know this. This is our hammer. It's for hammering in nails and pulling nails out a lot of times, but this is our hammer. Some of you guys know what this is and some of you don't because I've told you. What is this? This is our level. This tells us if you're building anything, whether or not it's going to sit level, which means it's going to sit on the ground right. And that's what that one's for. It's just to tell you if it's level or not, and you can adjust whatever you're working on. Because you don't want stuff sliding off your tables. What is this? This is our wrench. It's for putting on a nut or a bolt and twisting and undoing it or attaching it. And this is our wrench. What are these? These are our pliers. This is for something similar to the wrench. You can put it on something. I'm going to put it on my finger to show you guys. You can twist it to get it to go on, get it to come off. It works kind of the same way as the wrench. What is this? This is our screwdriver. And we can attach different pieces to it. Mine won't go on because it's messed up. You can attach different pieces to it like this. And it's for screwing in screws, nuts, bolts, as long as you have the right kind of head on it. So that's the screwdriver. And then this, you guys know what this is? For other than doing hair, some of you. This is our utility tool. It has a screwdriver. It has a wrench. And what is that? That is a saw. That's for cutting wood, cutting whatever you need to cut. That's your saw. And that's our tools and our safety gear for today. Thank you.